Hi friends, this is Lakshmi Srivastava. Today I am here to tell you about the career opportunity in polytechnic field. Either due financial conditions or due to any personal reasons, in case you have to leave your study between then, chill. Don't be panic. This is not the end, as you always have the option to get certification with your polytechnic certificates. Polytechnic courses are professional courses that can be vocational or technical nature. Completing the course not only gives the kickstart the one's career but also grant the opportunity to commence on business. On can even the get highest for reputed company after successfully completed the courses. There are varieties of polytechnic course to choose from diploma in computer science engineering, diploma in civil engineering, diploma in automobile engineering, diploma in electronics and communication, electrical engineering, art and craft, fashion engineering, and more such polytechnic courses. Eligibility: whoever minimum of 10th class pass out. Polytechnical Institute admission. The polytechnic institutes are both privately operated as well as governmented. Since these institutes has to gain professionally according the technical ability is so in India students. The institutes are registered under All India Council of Technical Education AICTE. The best among all usually has entrance test based on students are given admission. Education career after polytechnic. A student can go for 3-year BSc, BE or BTech and can even move forward higher education such as MSc, PhD, PG that prefer polytechnic courses. And 3-year diploma courses provides details practical knowledge to students. Successfully completing the course they are fit for entry level jobs depending on their specialization. After polytechnic job opportunities, one can begin working as a product developer, service engineer, junior engineer, analyst, assistant designer, executive, and more such entry level position with a polytechnic diploma in her hand. Top requirement: all the which company be hire depend your all diploma's technical skills, but some top company of India that willingly hire polytechnic students. Bombay Dyeing, Tata Motors, Suzuki, HCL, NTPC, DCL, Raymonds, Voltas. There are excellent job opportunities also in this country. So no matter where you have stuck, if you really want to earn through your gifted technical ability, then a polytechnic diploma is all you need. Thanks. We'll be back more such videos. Please subscribe to our channel.